Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 60, and in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check thanks to your IMEI number. Okay, first we need to check what is our IMEI number. To do it, open up the phone app and then type *#06 and hashtag. Now in here we have our IMEI number, we just gotta enter it in our search bar and then click on check IMEI. Now as you can see, the Razr 60 has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks, and in here we have MAC address check. Simply click on that. Now we gotta find our MAC address. To do it, open up the settings, go straight to system, not the system, my bad, about phone, keep scrolling down, device identifiers, and in here we have Wi-Fi MAC address. Device Wi-Fi MAC address, my bad. And now we gotta type this address in this bar. So keep typing it. Okay, and then click on check MAC address. Now as you can see, we have the results. We can keep scrolling down. We have the company name, for example, the company address, the country flag, and a lot of informations down below. And also 10 random MAC addresses that we can copy. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.